How to stop Windows 11 automatic updates. If you want to stop Windows 11 automatic updates permanently, here is how you can do it. First, click on the Start menu. Type to search Run. Click to open. Under the Run box, type in services.msc. Click on OK to open. Move down to Windows Update Settings. Double-click to open Properties. Under Startup Type, click and select Disable. Click on Apply, and then OK. Next, click on Start. Type to search gpedit.msc. Click to adjust administrative templates. Adjust Windows components. Move down to Windows Updates. On this side, click on Manage End User Experience. Double-click on Configure Automatic Updates. Here, click on Disable. Then click on Apply, and then OK. Lastly, open Run. Down here, type in gp update/force. Click on OK. Here you will see updating policy loading. When it's done, you will get this message. And then that's it.